Any hiding spots?
Oh no shit. Austin, how are you a level 14?
I don't know.
Hey, why are you in here, Austin?
It's a 1v1v1, isn't it?
No, it's a 1v1.
Okay, let me get the skill. Aw, damn it. Okay, yeah, I'm leaving.
No, hey, restart it on emerge. Restart it.
It's all good, it's all good, it's all good.
Or here, get a kill on me.
Damn it, I really thought I was gonna do good. I really thought I was gonna come out and be like 5-0 with like raping y'all assholes. Alright, so who am I spectating first?
Oh, he's gonna fuck me up, I know it. It's gonna be so embarrassing, because this is the one I'm good at.
MV Crunchy playing for rank. Uh-oh. I'm just kidding. Anybody don't start crying, it's not for rank, dude.
Why would he cry? I'm gonna get fucked, anally.
Shoot the truck, shoot the truck, shoot the truck.
Better than, what's his face?
Wait, Crunchy, did you beat that one kid?
Who?
That other kid, that, I can't think of his name.
Fuck. I don't know his name either. I forget.
Alvo or some shit. Also, or I don't know. Dang, this is back and forth.
Nigga. Oh shit.
Unemerge is like a freaking scopatologist. Like he like does studies of scopes or something, cause he's like a scopeaholic. Quick scopeaholic. He's a quick scopatologist.
Fucking hate.
Alright, Black Ops 2, let's go.
We forgot to quick scope on World at War, though.
Oh my god, no.
I'm fucking with you, I'm fucking with you.
Using the freaking, Ariska, whatever it's called, the freaking